Alright everyone, so spot breakdown this morning. I'm going after reds, striper, and bass, and we have the wind coming in off the Neuse and it's blowing into the creeks. I found some reds yesterday and the creeks swim in shallow, so we're going to start off with this top water plug because my rule is when it's overcast, you throw spinner baits and top water plugs because the fish are going to be roaming around. So we're going to start off with that and then maneuver around whatever the bite determines. Wish me luck. Good red. I don't think I have him hooked that good though. Oh yeah, it's a good red. That's a good red. Yes, sir. Good one. Yeah. Oh man. No! Dang it! Dang it! Ah! Oh, son of a gun! That was a good red. The freaking net. The lure hooked onto the net and yanked the hooks out of his mouth. What am I thinking? What am I doing, dude? Jesus. All right, so I lost the red. That sucks. That's a punch in the gut. But on the flip side, that means we're doing something right. So as I said, the wind is blowing into this creek. There's tons of bait in here. I'm just gonna keep fishing the windward banks and the cutbacks and the creeks. And just little creek mounts like that, you just wanna stop your trolling motor and just pick it apart with your top water plug. And then keep fishing. If you hook up, you hook up. If you don't, switch baits, fish it really good, and keep fishing. So here's the hope when we land our next fish that we catch. I don't know if I'm going to use my net again because the net hooked onto the hooks on one side and then the red was on the other side of the plug, and the red shook while the net held the plug in place and he got off. So oh well, maybe I need a bigger net. So all right, stay tuned.